Hi, in this video we're going to see Zerodha's margin and the leverage trading. And this is the Zerodha's official margin calculator site. Also this link is given in the description box and you can visit that. And the site has been updated newly, and you can see when you go to equity you couldn't find the calculator, but instead of that you can see there is a two extra additional column which is MIS and a CO which is cover order, and along with that you can see margin in percentage and a leverage. So before we understand what is margin in percent and leverage, let's understand what is margin and the leverage. So margin is basically the amount which is available for the trading in your trading account. It's called margin. And when you go into trade in a margin trade, if your broker mention margin trading is available, which means the broker will give you additional margin along with what you have in your account. So in other words, just like a borrowing money from someone, the broker will give you additional money, and when the trade will close, the broker will take his part. So that is called margin trading. The leverage and margin is different, but leverage will show you exact number. What is the leverage that you're giving? How many times more leverage you're getting? For example, here you can see 3M India, you can see the leverage mentioned 5 times more margin you've been getting. So which means if you have 100 rupees in your account, you can buy up to 500 rupees stocks using 100 rupees. And what is margin in percent? So for example, take again 3M India, you can see the leverage is available 5 times. So 5 times you can buy more stocks, and margin mentioned 20%. It might be confusion for the beginners. It's very easy to understand. So to understand the margin in percent, let's take the 3M India example again. So let's think the stock price, current price is 100 rupees for 3M India, and you have a leverage of 5 times. So what it means technically is you have to use only 20% of your margin. You have 100 rupees in account, so you don't need to use completely 100 rupees to buy this, because you have a leverage of 5. So using that you can spend only 20 rupees on this stock because you have the leverage of 5. So 5 times more you've been offering for to buy the stock, so you need to pay only 20 rupees from your account. So that's how margin percent works. And also to understand better, you can see the idea stock. So when you type idea, you can see the margin showing percent, and it's showing 100% because leverage, there is no leverage, it's a one leverage. So you need to pay 100% of the margin. So if the stock price is 100 rupees, then you have to purchase it with 100 rupees. There is no leverage available, so you need to pay 100% margin. So that is a margin percent, and I hope you understand here. So I will walk you through the margin calculator which is available inside the Kite, which is really good. There is a new feature recently Zerodha has adopted, which is really good for intraday traders especially. So now we are in the Kite. You can see I added a 3M in the watch list. So let's take the same stock and we'll understand how the margin calculator works inside the Kite. So when you trying to buy 3M India, you can see we are in the CNC now, right now, and the price what you're seeing is at 20,375. That is the current market price. And when you enter a quantity, you can see there is a column margin required. So this is the margin intraday calculator. So if you're trading in intraday, you can use the margin calculator and you can find out how much money you're supposed to use to buy this particular stock. And for example, you can see when you go in CNC, it's a 20,000, 100% margin you need to pay. So if you go to MIS, now you can see only 4,000 we have to pay because we have a leverage of 5. And remember, we had a margin percent of for this stock we had a 20%. So 20% of the 20,000, it is a 4,000. And even if you go and buy 5 stocks, you need to pay 20,000. You may think it is a full margin of paying. It's not. You are not paying again your full margin. You are paying still 20% because one stock is a 20,000. If you buying a 5 stock, technically it is a 1 lakh, and the 1 lakh 20% is a 20,000. Then you have to pay that 20,000. So that is how margin percent and leverage works in this calculator. And without going to official site, you can find out everything using margin calculator inside this order box. And you can also go to sell and you can shift. If you are trading in a sell, same. The margin will never change for sell and buy. It only changes when you go for a MIS or a cover order. So we have a cover order here. If you go to cover order, again you can see the percent was increased, so you don't need to pay 20%. Even lesser you have to pay in the cover order. So that is how this calculator works. And one important thing, when you're trading in a margin, you need to be very careful because if the trade went against you, or if you're getting a 5 times leverage in a particular stock, you also will wipe out your account 5 times faster than normal trading. So if you're trading without a stop loss, you may end up losing a lot of money if the trade goes against you. So that is really important. When you're trading a leverage and margin trading, it's really risky if you're not using in a right way. So this is the video for today. Now hit the subscribe button, like the video, or drop us a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.